Hello everyone, welcome to my new video on Ansible. This Ansible complete course video will teach you guys how to install Ansible, how to run simple ad hoc commands, and how to make simple playbooks. In this complete video, I'm going to show you guys how to install Ansible in the Linux machine, especially in Ubuntu, and how to run simple Ansible commands to configure, deploy the services in the target machines. Before we get started, guys, let's learn about Ansible. All right. So let's talk about a bit about Ansible. What Ansible is, what it can do. It is a very important question before we jumping in the real scenario. Ansible is a simple but powerful automation tool that lets us automate configuration management, application deployment, and other IT tasks. It is agentless. So it means that it does not require you to install any software, any tools on the target systems, and it is easy to read syntax to define the tasks you want to automate. With Ansible, we can save time and reduce errors by automating radius and error-prone tasks, allowing us to focus on more important things. Many companies are using Ansible because of it is free tool and it is easy to install, and it's very useful in a lot of scenario. I hope this little bit definition help you guys to know about the Ansible. If you guys know, if you guys want to know more about Ansible, there is one website that I'm gonna share you guys in the beginning. In end of this description. Okay, so this is the basic architecture of the Ansible, right? This is a control machine, and this control machine access other server through the SSH secure shell command. That is agentless, right? Without installing anything on the target machine, we can run Ansible commands from here to configure the our needs. All right, guys, this is all for now, and now let's go to the actual environment to show you guys how to install Ansible. Like I said earlier, this video will be a little bit longer, but I hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you. And now let's go to the actual environment. Okay guys, before showing you the actual environment, this is the Ansible document website, and this is very good website. It has include everything how we can install Ansible, and I think I need this in later on how to install Ansible, so I'm gonna keep this on the side now. Right, okay, so this video will show you how to make playbooks, keyboards, and everything. And before before you want to continue this video, you guys want to know about basic thing about Ansible, right? So I'm gonna give you this website link later on this description, so will help you guys correct. Okay, so now this is the control machine that I'm gonna install Ansible over here, and these are the two other target machine that Ansible we're gonna run the commands from here, and then we're gonna see how it works here. Okay, so before we jumping on the installing Ansible, I'm just gonna show you guys if these server are accessible from each other or not. If it is not, we're not able to run the Ansible commands. Okay, let's do ping node 1. Okay, it is pinging. Ping node 2. Okay, it is also pinging. Okay, user Ansible. Okay, and this two Ansible. Sorry, I have to give the password too. Okay, I gave a password here. Okay. I'm just giving default, right? You just need to keep the user, that's why I just sorry, user more, I'm just giving it permission sudo ansible. Okay, we gotta give the all the permission for the Ansible user to run the Ansible command. User more sudo Ansible. Okay, let's do this to all the server too. All right, so now what would being etc sudoers. Okay, over here I'm gonna give the permission now. Okay, where is it? Give sudo permission here, right? Okay, sible ansible. Let's give this all the sudo permission for the Ansible user. All right, let's do here too. etc sudoers. All right, so what I'm gonna do right now is so okay, one more thing we have to do here is we have to able to run the Ansible user without putting the password, right? For that no gotta do this no passwd. Okay, so same thing we gotta do over here too. No passwd. Okay, and here as well no passwd, no passwd. Okay, there you go. All right, so one more thing we need to do. Let's see Ansible is okay with right. So here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create the SSH. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna create the ssh-keygen. ssh-keygen. Okay, all right, giving everything by default. So what I'm gonna do, ssh copy id and ansible a node 1. Okay, give me password. So again, I'm gonna do the node 2. And yes, Ansible. Oh, sorry, maybe I think I put wrong password. Okay, it's working. All right. So that means we have to able to access the other server without putting the password. Okay, that's what that's why we are doing this all process. Okay, SSH node 1. Okay. SSH node 1. Yep, we got the node 1 without putting any password, right? Let's exit SSH node 2. We are able to get the SSH node 2 without putting any password. Alright, this is the prerequisite for the Ansible. Alright guys, so now we are going to actually install the Ansible. Okay, alright, let's go to the root user, right? We have the Ansible user there. So let's get update, get update. Yeah, by the way, I got these servers from Azure, so you guys can see over here Azure. All right, so get update. Let's do get update on the all the machine. Okay. Apt get update. Okay. Just updating the recent the new packages and from the repository if there is anything new, right? So you don't have to do anything these two servers now. Okay, so we got the command to install the Ansible. This is gonna be here, everything is updated, and we're gonna add the Ansible on the repository. Okay, this command does that. It's gonna take a little bit time. Oh, it is already installed, did not take too long. Okay, so now we're gonna install the Ansible. Do you want to continue? Okay, it will take few minutes, but you know it will get installed. Okay, 99%. All right, let's install now. Let's check the Ansible version. So Ansible version. Okay, this version is 2927 and everything looks good, guys. Now we have the name Ansible host. Okay, this is the also called inventory, right? Setting of inventory. We have to here we can give the server name that we are we wanted to run our commands on those servers. So how we going to configure it is we can give the group name, server name, and it will run the it will run on those server. Okay, all right, so now I'm gonna give the name. I'm gonna put the name in server group name here. Okay, give it the name here. Let's make here. Okay, you can give whatever name you want, right? It doesn't really matter. Okay, my server, I guess, my servers. Okay, so so make sure you have the same exact way that the big bracket over here, and you can put any name on it. Okay, so I'm gonna give the IP address from here, IP address show. Okay, or you can put the node just like this, right? So node 1, node 2. Okay, and that's all. That's it. This is it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the Ansible user, and we're gonna run some couple commands, you know, if it is working or not. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it is called ad-hoc command that we are gonna use, and Ansible -m ping myservers become -k add-apt could not supply host pattern. Okay, what happened? And so Ansible myserver -m. I think I put the wrong name. Let me see what I actually give the name. My servers. Okay, I think I did only my server. That's the issue here. Alright, you guys see that it able to show the server being able or not from here. Okay, like this we can do, you know, a lot of things here. We can make different group and run the different commands here. Let's say I give the my server's name, right? If I give you this node 2 for the another group, it will work the same way. So it is very good and easy way to do that. And I'm gonna show you a couple more commands how we can use it. I think before doing that, let's get install Apache on this server to the playbook. Okay, so just let's do this mkdir playbooks. Can I create from something? Wow, we can create on the from the root user, right? Playbooks. Okay. All right, and cd playbooks. Okay, here I'm gonna create the playbooks. Let's give the name Apache 2.yml. Alright, okay. So in the beginning, in the playbook, a playbook runs in the YML file. So sorry, this 3 line before starting anything, and gotta be careful with the line, the Ansible, because it is sometimes very you know, doesn't run, you know, so we gotta be careful with the line. I will show you where you can find any website or anything, you test your the YML file before you actually running it. Okay, so you can give the any name, right? I'm gonna give the Apache 2 installing. Okay, and then host, right? Okay, host, we're gonna give the my servers, so that we had configured on the host file, that what I'm giving here, and also become true and then tasks. Okay, and the tasks we're gonna give the name. Okay, so this is should be here, this should here, and the tax name, what I'm gonna install Ansible Apache web server, and here apt, because the by default Apache will be in the Ubuntu. Name, okay, it's gonna be Apache 2. Let's do the latest one, and the one task is there. It's gonna install the Apache. Okay, so what we are gonna do here, it is okay, you know what, just install the Apache for now, right? Okay, so how we can run Apache, this folder needs to be needs to have a full permission. Let's give 555 Apache. Okay, Ansible. Okay, the command that we have is ansible-playbook Apache 2 YML hyphen. Okay, we're gonna give the server name is myservers. That means this both server and node 1 and node 2. Okay, and just become hyphen k. I think I put something wrong. Server playbook, my servers not found. Sorry, we don't have to give the server name because we already gave in the server name on the YML file. Okay, we don't have to give here. Become k and okay, admin. Okay, now Apache is installing on the server. Okay, it will take a little bit time because it's gonna install the Apache, right? Doesn't take too long though. Alright, it's installed now. We don't see anything failed or anything here, so that means it is working fine. Okay, so one question you guys may ask, why we need playbooks, right? So it is very simple question. To run playbooks, because using playbooks is one of the key feature of Ansible that allows us to automate complex tasks and configuration management. So we cannot do this from the command line, right? It's gonna be very long, and it will be, I think we can do from the command line too, but it is if we wanna run multiple tasks, right, we cannot do from the add-apt command. So it is useful to use the playbooks, because like I said earlier, what is our playbooks name is in Apache, right? Okay, so here we give one task, right? We can give other tasks too, like run the Ansible or stop the Ansible. We can add more commands, and in the same time we can install other things, and we can also copy paste, so it will be very easy for us to do the one task at the same time. Okay, that's why we are doing, guys. Now let's run some add a command ansible -m. You can do cell to -a systemctl status apache 2.crbic services, and then I'm gonna give you the host name, my servers instance become -k -m. Okay, you can see there it is active and running. Okay, we're gonna stop the one, right? Stop Apache 2 service here. Okay, systemctl status Apache 2.services. Now we're gonna use the same command and gonna see okay, you guys see this Apache 2 is stop over here. This is the error command. To run the complex tasks, we're gonna use playbooks. Alright, so I'm gonna give you the one website. I think this video is already long enough, so I will make another video for the separate to create the playbooks and other things. Okay, for now let's go for this website, and this website for the playbooks is play role blocks YML syntax, and it will give us how to make the playbooks and how it works. Okay, I think this website will help you guys a lot, and in this my video I'm gonna show you guys how we can, you know, all the process that I have used during this video, and I hope this video will be very helpful to you guys, and thank you very much. Bye now.